Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add product tags in Woocommerce on a WordPress website, right? As you can see, I'm into the WordPress admin dashboard. Here I'm going to tell you about the two methods to add product tags in Woocommerce, right? So coming to the first method, as you can see in the left side of admin dashboard, you will get an option of products, right? And as soon as we move the cursor on the products section, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having an option of tags, right? You just need to click on tags, and here you can simply create tags for your products, right? And I have given name to this tag. Now I will add slug. So in slug, as we know, we can't use spaces, we can use dash in spite of spaces, right? You can simply write whatever the slug you want, right? For SEO reasons you can use long tail keywords as well. So I have entered the slug as buy dash bathroom dash slipper dash online, right? You can write a good SEO optimized description of this particular tag and can simply click on add new tag to create this tag, right? Later whenever you are creating the product, you can simply use this tag, and the tag would be added in your product, right? Coming to the second method, again I am into the WordPress admin dashboard. As you can see, right here in the left side we are getting the option of products in the left side toolbar, and as we move our cursor on the products, there is an sub menu which appears automatically in front of us, and we will click on add new product. Here we can simply enter the product name, right? So I have entered the product name as bathroom slippers nylon, right? And in the right side, when we scroll down, there is an option, there is a section of product tags where we can simply add the tags. So I'm just creating tags, right? So I have typed slippers and will press enter key on keyboard, right? Slippers for man I have typed, and again I will click on enter, and as you can see the tag has been created, slippers for women, right? I have typed and will click on enter, and the tag has been created, right? Sir, we do not have an option of adding slug over here, right? Yeah, we do not have, although after creating the product, you can simply again go back to the left side product section in the tags option, okay? And here you will see those tags created by you. As we have not saved this product, so these particular tags are not getting displayed, and else those tags would be displayed over here, and you can simply click on the quick edit button under the product tag title, right? And you can simply change the slug over here, right? And you can click on update tag to update slug of those product tags that you have created while creating your product in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. So this is how you can create product tags in Woocommerce on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Woocommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit our blog, read articles related to Woocommerce tutorial. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.